What up, everyone? Mad Dog here. Figured, represent a little NWO. So, I am a wrestling fan. A little late, but that's NXT 30. Takeover number 30. But anyhow, enough about that bullshit. I am here to do 4 unboxings. Thing is, I have to do this somewhat quickly because the wife is not home. And I cannot upload this until about next Thursday to Friday. Other than one that she already knows about, because she was with me when I got it, and it's the one that we agreed on, I have 3 other movies that she doesn't know about. So 4 movies altogether. 3 she doesn't know about, hopefully. And they are for our 11th year anniversary, 1 week from tomorrow. Today is September 10th, Thursday. 2020. Year that sucks. It is what it is. But I want to get these done while the wife is not around. She's at a friend's party. And yeah. So here we go. Number 1 that I'll be doing is Interstellar. Here's the people, the stars. Wish I had a little more light, but my damn light bulb died on me. But it is what it is. So we have Interstellar on 4K. And I am doing all this one-handed, as always. Because especially right now, we can't have the wife around. So, as you can see, still shrink-wrapped. Or whatever the fuck it's called. I will be right back after I open it. Alright, so I have opened the package. And we have 3 discs. Here are the, digital code, but I will be using this. Then we have Paramount and Warner Brothers. Interesting. Are you the Blu-ray? Are you the 4K? Aha! Here is the 4K. The next disc says featured film, but it doesn't. Oh, Blu-ray. And the third and final disc is special features Blu-ray. So movie number 1, Interstellar, starring Matthew McConaughey, Anne Hathaway, Jessica Chastain, and Michael Caine. And note, none of these movies we've seen. So this will be this is a mystery to all of us. Yeah, my desk is a mess right now. I haven't been cleaning it. So, got 3 more inside of here, which 2 of these are from Walmart, 1 of them's from Amazon. But I put them all inside of here because I don't want the wife seeing them. So, give me a minute to not only... Well, actually, I'll just take them out of this package. Well, hold on. Can I do this one-handed? Yes, I can. Okay. So, here are the other 3 movies. Midway, based on real events, starring all these people. Most of these names I'm really not familiar with, other than Mandy Moore and Dennis Quaid and Woody Harrelson. So I know those 3, but these ones, not sure if I know them just by first glance. Don't know if this is good, crap, what, but there's that. And then both of these my wife really wanted to see, so I got these. The House with a Clock in Its Walls, starring Jack Black. And I have no idea who that is, so I can't give you that person's name. And yeah, so don't know if this is going to be good or crap, but again, you know, all these are still sealed, as you can, you know, see. You know, I'll show that one still sealed. That one still sealed. It even has that I didn't even know they did those anymore. And Charlie's Angels, which you can still see, you know, right here, the plastic part of it. So, full disclosure, I got this one for the wife. I honestly wasn't all that interested in it, but I could be surprised. It could be good. Or it could just be crap. I don't know. But wife really wanted to see it, so I'm trying to do something nice for her anniversary. I mean, at least on the plus side, there's some really good looking women in here. But yeah. So I am going to unwrap all 3 of them, and then I will be right back. So give me about a minute or 2. Well, a minute and 2 for me. For you guys, it'll be just less than a second. Alright. So I got all 3 opened. We're going to start off, you know, go this way around. So, Charlie's Angels, starring Naomi Watts. I think that's Naomi Watts. Sorry, Naomi Scott, not Watts. Wrong name. Sorry. Kristen Stewart, which is her. And full disclosure, for anyone who's, just in case they're wondering, I absolutely despise the Twilight movies. I think they are pure fucking garbage. Unfortunately, can't say the same for the wife. She likes that garbage. We got Patrick Stewart. And I don't remember her damn name. And I don't really know her name. Oh, wait. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know names. I probably should. But we open it up. And we have digital copy. Now, I'll show it. I'm not afraid to. But I will be using it. So by the time this gets uploaded, it will already be used. We have Charlie's Angels Blu-ray, which is a blue disc. Go figure. And we got Charlie's Angels 4K, which is on a black disc. No good pictures, no nothing. It just says Charlie's Angels, and that's it. Okay. More likely, what special features there are all going to be on the Blu-ray disc. Can't say that for sure because I haven't seen it, but my wife's going to like that music video because she likes Miley Cyrus. But yeah, so Don't Call Me Angel, gag reel, deleted and extended scenes. I mean, if you guys can see it, I'm sorry the lighting sucks in here. My damn light bulb died on my desk. But there's Charlie's Angels. Next, since it's just sitting right here, we're going to go with The Clock with a Wall. The House with the Clock in Its Walls. Wow, I started saying that all wrong like an idiot. Luckily, I edit stuff. Not. So, we have The House with the Clock in Its Walls, starring Jack Black, some chick, and some kid. I'm sorry, I don't know who any of these people are except for him. This is the 4K copy, and it has a good picture. I heard this movie was pretty good. It's from Universal Studios. Oh, and Charlie's Angels, I do believe, is from Sony. Yeah, it's from Sony. So, The House with the Clock in Its Walls. Hopefully this is a good movie. And then you get a free movie. Well, I get a free movie. Sorry guys, I'll be using that part too. The Blu-ray copy has no images. Not even the... no, not even the same kind of font. I mean, close, but... Actually, no, it is the same font, just different colors. But this is the Blu-ray disc. Nothing exciting. You can kind of see my ugly reflection. Hi. But that is The House with the Clock in Its Walls. I think it's a horrible title, but could be a really good movie. And last but not least, Midway. Based on true events, or real events. Starring Ed Skirrin. You know, I'm not going to embarrass myself and try to read. I'll just kind of slowly go over these. Oh, Luke Evans. I know who that is. Aaron Eckhart. Trying to see if there's any special features. At first glance, I don't know if there's special features. I don't know if that's special features or not. Oh, it says right there, special features. Okay. They both say special features, so I don't know if they're going to be different. My phone's not wanting to focus completely. As you open it up, you got the digital copy, which, again, guys, I will be using this one. Then this is the Blu-ray copy. This is from Lionsgate. And I do believe this is set off of Pearl Harbor. And the 4K actually looks completely different. And here's the 4K copy. Completely different image, which is cool. I like that. You got a plane flying here, or a couple planes, and then you got, looks like bombs coming down possibly. So, out of these movies, the ones that are interesting me the most are Midway and Interstellar. That one. So, almost 20-minute video, but it is what it is. You know, normally me and the wife would be going out and seeing some movies and having dinner somewhere, but unfortunately, because of what's going on 2020, we can't. I don't even think our movie theater's open yet. Last time I checked, which granted has been about a month, it just says it hasn't opened up yet. And then, you know, like, we'd probably end up going to lunch at Panda Express or Taco Bell. I have my way Panda Express. The wife has her way Taco Bell. And then for dinner, we'd probably go to Buffalo Wild Wings. That's been our spot for the last few years. When we do, you know, 2 to 3 movies, stuff like that. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah, I can't do a far away. Still have my NWO shirt on. But, this is Mad Dog, signing out.